Hello and welcome to another free code session. My name is Jason Bach and I'm going to keep adding tests to Partially Applied. I am going to limit it to just this one. I'm going to do 3 tops, and then if I still have tests to write, I'm going to just do them off camera, but it's a way to just kind of talk about and discuss stuff, right? Because that's what we want to do. All right, so we got the diagnostics. We have some extensions here, but we don't have a lot. And like expression syntax extensions. Why would I want this to be exposed? It should not be. Right? None of it should be. Now, the way I've been doing the extensions is I will kind of have this, and then I'll have the method name of the extension I'm trying to do. You know, and I've kind of liked that try get method symbol tests. I kind of like that convention. It works for me. It may not work for you, but that is fine. Okay, so we want we're going to need an expression syntax, which is a method. Yes. So we're going to want to have something that generates a method. But then we're also going to want something that says, because the way this works is you're just giving it any expression syntax, and you're basically trying to say, is this a method? So I'm just wondering if this should be a test case scenario or not, because there are 3. There's basically either you did find it, there's this weird candidate symbol issue, or you didn't find it at all. So let's just do public static void try get method symbol when method resolves. And then we want to have one that where it's a candidate is a candidate when expression is not a method. Okay, so how we want to do this? We want to have var code is equal to public class targets, just a static class targets. I'm getting better at writing code without IntelliSense. Public static void foo. We don't care what it does. Public static class runner. Public static void run. Run. Okay. Targets dot foo. That should resolve. Okay. And what we wanted to do is we want to find an invocation expression. So we probably can hack something from this. Okay. So we want to say private static expression syntax. Okay. Or we give it the source. Okay. So get the compilation. We don't need the model. We just need to find invocation expression syntax. Single. That's all we need. We actually had there. And so we're going to say return that. And there we go. Okay, so now here we say var expression is equal to expression syntax extension except it's not get methods. Well, code. Okay, but we don't want to call it get method symbol. I'm going to say get expression. Okay. And now we want to say var, ooh, wait a minute. We're going to need a model. Yes. That's okay. So we'll bring that back in here. So we're going to actually have expression syntax and semantic model. Okay. We're going to say var expression is equal to that. Var model is equal to that. We're just going to say return expression model. Okay. Semantic. Thank you. So here we're going to say var expression and model. And now we're going to say var result is equal to expression dot try get an inferred member name. It's this. Giving the model. Whoop. Okay, just it took a, except we don't want a result here. We want symbol and where are we using this? Was found. Okay, so we want to call it was found. Method was found. Okay. And so we should see assert, not multiple. We're going to do more than one. Assert that method dot name is equal to foo. That should be method. You can't do that, huh? Yeah, we know it's good. It's all good. Oh, come on. Assert that was found is true. Passed. That's one. Where method is a candidate. I'm going to give a guess here. If I do like that, now it should be, I don't, maybe? Oh, it passed. Okay. So that works. Try to get method when expression is not a method. What is an expression? Property. If I was getting a property, right? A string literal expression. What is a string literal expression? Is that just the at thing? Oh, wow. Inception's going to kick in right now. Except the way I've been finding it is, let's do this. Then I need a, well, no, I could, if I typed, see, I'm trying to find an invocation expression. What if I just say expression here? What happens to this method? Yeah, now it fails because there's probably more than one. Yeah. Yep. That was kind of a pipe dream there. Could we where T is expression syntax of type T? Okay, so then in here, we're basically saying I want an invocation expression syntax, as I do down here as well. Except here, couldn't I just do something like and then do var value is equal to targets foo. In this case, I'm going to say property. I screwed up. Okay. Crap, public static int x get. So what happens if I want to do var v is equal to x? Yeah, that, except what I want it to do is this. So now what is this? A simple member access expression. Simple member access expression. Because you just... Are you kidding me? What? Member access expression. Thank you. Thank you. All right, well, does this work? What did it fail? No, whoa, yeah, that's actually not good because that method is null. And was found should be false. And there we go. Okay, so if I take this out, I take that out, and I come up here and I say run all of them, do we now get what we expect to get? And we do. Okay, so that's good. All right, let me just do a quick commit here. Okay. Test for diagnostics and try get method symbol. All right, so we are on a roll. And by a roll, it's just like, you know, it's like this. Yeah, it's not really fast, but it's kind of like a Rubik's Cube going down, so it's not like tumbling yet, but we are making progress. Okay. All right. So let's come back here, and I do have for is standard, but I don't have for r equal. So guess what we're going to be doing, folks? We're going to be creating for r equal. Okay. I'm wondering if I would be able to do this as a test case, because I kind of think I can. I want to have two methods, and I'm just trying to see, are they equal? So, and they're done by method symbols. So yeah, we're going to need, well, let's do this. We have a class target, we have a foo, and we're going to have a bar. Public void bar. Okay. And I expect this to be true. Now, we're going to say get method symbols. Okay. We're going to get 2. Okay. So we're going to have method symbol 1 and method symbol 2. And we're going to say r equal method symbol 2 is equal to expected results. Except now you need this and you need that. Good. All right, now what we need is method syntax 1. And we need this to do method syntax 2 for bar. Okay. And then we need to say var method symbol 1 is equal to that 1, and then we need 2, which is 2, and then we're going to return method symbol 1 and method symbol 2. There. All right. So in this case, they should be true, right? And they are. All right, we're now the slope is going down. Rise over run. Can you tell what I've been helping out one of my sons with in algebra? Slope intercept, rise over run. Maybe that's why I did the analogy to a slope, because that's what's been on my mind. I don't know. All right, so let's say one returns something and the other one doesn't. So we'll say this is an int. And we'll make it simple that it just does a 3. and that doesn't. These should not be equal. We'll do the reverse, which is going back to a void foo and an int bar. Oh wow, I'm a bad coder. I'm so bad. All right. These should all work. And they do. All right, what's next? If they both don't return void, but the return types are different. So let's say this one is an int, which returns a 3, but this one's going to be a double. And that one's going to return, oh my God, 3.2. And that should also return false. We should now have 4 tests. Okay, if the parameter lengths are different. So this one will have an int a, and this one will have a int b string c, because why not? And this should be false. And it is. What's next? If the parameters are different, so you have the same number of parameters, but their types are different. That should be false. That's it. Got those. All right. Slope is increasing. Add range. We're stealing code, people. Covert operation here. We're stealing code. I repeat. We are stealing immutable. Oh, don't tell me. Oh, don't tell me. I never did. I never did. Oh. A bad person. I'm a bad person. Okay. You know it and I know it. We're in partially applied here. Add range tests. Part of the reason too I also do tests on all this stuff is just because I want to walk the walk. I don't want to just say write tests and then I don't do it at all for my stuff. And if somebody calls me out on it, I want to be able to back it up. And if I can't back it up, I want to then be able to back it up by actually putting stuff to back it up. Okay. All right. So I'm going to have a builder here. Var builder is equal to, let's grab this. Just make it ints. We don't care. Create builder of ints. Okay. Don't care. We have enumerable values, and we're going to add each one into it. Okay. Builder dot add range. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Enumerable range. We'll say 0 to 3. Okay, why are you not? No. Why are you not finding it? This is a mutable hash set builder, right? Yeah. Why does it say it's a question mark? It would return, so why would it say it's possibly like not there? Using this. Oh, so now you lm whatever. Okay, now let's say assert that builder dot. Can you actually do this? You can, but can you really do this? 0, 1, 4? Is my math right? They would be unique values, so 3, of course. Up by 1, 0, 1, 2, and then you don't do the, yeah. Smooth brain. All right, got that one. More wrinkly brain. Okay. I namespace symbol extensions. Can I cheat? Yes, I can. Assuming I've actually written a test for this. Which I have. Probably the ugliest face you've ever seen me make. Okay. Get name tests. Again, this is just also experimentation with naming and conventions and what do I like and what do I don't like, you know. I don't think I could ever not code. I've said that many times, and I will say it again. Okay, got my name. Except this should be get name tests. Okay. Ah, crap. Crap. I didn't do that. All right. Why don't you know what that is? We should have 2, and we can move on. Yeah, we do. Moving on. All right, type symbol extensions. Get name. Please tell me I already did this. See, I had to do a lot more in rocks with type symbol names than I did here, so I think I am gonna steal stuff, but it's gonna be significantly less. As I've been doing this, I've been thinking, do I need to have like a common assembly where I can have stuff that I use for testing and whatever, but the motivation isn't quite there. Okay, so get name for extra territory. We can just do get name here, right? Because that's all we care about. I want to get the type symbol, so we want to do this. Okay. Give me all. Give me all of them except link, because for some reason you can't figure out link var type symbol is equal to this. Yeah, type symbol. Except we need source. We need a source. Here's your source. Except I know. Yeah, I know. Put that there. Don't need it. And we can say var name is equal to type symbol get name. Assert that name is equal to target. For this one, it was nowhere near as important to have a get name abstraction as it was in rocks, but I kind of like this just to own how I get the name in case I ever need to extend it. Object extensions. Get default value. I know I can steal this. Yep. Object extensions, get default value tests. Object extensions, get default value tests. What? Oh, did I already do this? Well, hot damn it, hallelujah. Okay, we don't have help builder. You got to have the help builder URI tests, because if you don't have the help builder URI tests there, then you're just up a crick. Help URI URL. It's UR. Except you're not going to be partially. Thank you. And this is not going to be rocks. This is going to be partially applied. And then that should just work. Man, it's feeling good. Okay. Now, do you have generator tests? Yeah. yeah. Result tests, receiver tests, shared. I'm missing builders, but I don't think I did builder tests here for rocks. I did like extensions and diagnostics. Oh, I did do builders, but that was just for the namespace gatherer, because again, it was the idea that the integration tests are actually going to test the builders by going through the cases and doing it that way. So, and we do have a namespace gatherer, but we don't have it in the builders. We have it in the, we're just, you know what? We're copy and pasting. We're just going to take namespace gatherers. We're going to put it here. Oh, I'm partially applied tests, builders. Don't need that. And look at that. Would you look at that? That's just so awful. Because I think at this point we'd be done with all the tests. At least the tests that I think I need to write. I guess I said run them all. Which, nothing wrong with that. Right? All right. I'm pretty convinced that we're at a 1.0 release. Let me do something here just to see. Yeah, that was just here. The problem with this is that if I start saying that, now everything with the braces goes absolutely bonkers. I considered it. Okay. I considered it, and I am done. Okay, so actually this is in a really good spot because I'm going to now commit this and run all tests, commit, and then I'm going to create a NuGet package for 1.0. And this is good because I wanted to have a 1.0 for the source generator talk tomorrow, and just cause I wanted it. And that will have a little bit more features in there that I don't know if I'm going to have any time. I have to practice tonight and act like I'm in the session, act like I'm talking to people, and just make sure that I go through things, but that I leave enough time, because they said about 45 minutes of discussion. And so leave time within that to have that kind of back and forth where people are going to be asking me questions in the session. So, I can't get, I got to be prepared to be able to fill all that time, but also to scale it back so that we can still talk about all the essential stuff I want to get through, but answer questions as well. So that probably sounds really weird when it probably sounds really weird right now. If somebody in my family walks by, it's like he's talking to nobody. But when I'm practicing, it's also kind of odd because then I'm literally not even recording or doing anything. I'm just doing what I think I need to do for that session. So anyway, I'm at the time limit. I will do all the things, and then I think for partially applied, the only thing I was going to add is a way to do additional files such that you could define the name of the partially class, the name of the apply method that, well, at least what it starts with, and then to say if you wanted it in the global namespace or not. That's one thing I have to add to that issue, but I'm calling that a 1.1 issue. That's really, really, really not needed. I think I got a whole list of stuff to do. I keep saying that, but that's good. I just keep coming up with ideas, things to work on. I definitely want to do some stuff with editor config generator, but I also want to work on some new stuff that I've been coming up with. And I've got presentations to do, and one I'm doing on Blazor next week, and I haven't touched Blazor in a little while, so I got to get my coding samples up and also talking about what the new stuff is as well. So, maybe I won't have time to do as many videos, but I'm so far ahead right now, which is a good spot to be in. I'm glad that my son's like, you're 3 months ahead. Why do you need to keep creating stuff today? I'm like, well, that way I know I've got the content in place, and I'm not just trying to spit out videos just to be placeholders. I really want to go through stuff like this and talk about it. I find it interesting. So in any event, much more to do in the future. So thank you all for watching. Leave comments and questions below. See you in the next episode.